Did you know the Sony ZV-E10 Mark II is almost same price with the Sony 6600 camera? So today's vlog guys, we will compare the two cameras APS-C from Sony, the Sony 6600 with the new Sony ZV-E10 Mark II. So why we compare these two cameras? Because first, they have almost same price. Again, the Sony ZV-E10 Mark II with a kit lens of 1650, it's 1,100 US dollar, while the Sony 6600 is 1,200 US dollar body. Only body, but this one with the kit lens. So, on this vlog, I will show you why ZV-E10 is better to buy than ZV-6600 on 2024. So, okay guys, without further ado, let's start. But again, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video, and tutorial. So guys, let's start now. But first, let's see why to consider to buy the Sony 6600 over the Sony ZV-E10 Mark II in 2024. So first, it's with the built-in image stabilization. So this camera is already built-in image stabilization. Electronic viewfinder. So you have viewfinder. It's good for photography, but ZV-E10 Mark II, you don't have any viewfinder. Battery life, you have 810 shots compared for 610 shots of ZV-E10. This is a weather seal camera. So in tough weather condition, this is a better camera, the Sony 6600 over the ZV-E10. And also you have the NFC connection. So this is uh, reason why to consider to buy the Sony 6600 over the Sony ZV-E10 Mark II. So guys, why to consider now the Sony ZV-E10 Mark II over the 6600 of the camera? So again guys, the 6600 announced last August 28 of 2019, while the Sony ZV-E10 Mark II announced last July 10 of 2024. So totally new. So again guys, why to consider the Sony ZV-E10 Mark II over the Sony 6600? First, you have already gyroscopic stabilization, meaning you can adjust the stabilization while on post-process. Product showcase mode. Yeah, you have a product showcase mode. Is very useful for vloggers who attend to vlog their products or sell some products. While pointing the product, it will focus on the products. Then when you remove the product, it will focus direct to the subject. So that is the product showcase mode. You have already dedicated switch for photo and video and slow motion. So yes, you have already in ZV-E10 Mark II, the 6600. You didn't have that option. And again, this is 26 megapixel compared for 24 megapixel of 6600. Your number of focusing point, you have already 759 focusing point over 425 focusing point of the Sony 6600. And the weight, this is more lighter. So for vloggers who use their camera for 24 hours, it's the best uh, weight for you. Best weight for the camera. It's more lighter. And they are shared with the same battery, guys. NP Z100 battery. So, yan guys. But these two camera guys have common similarity. They have similarity. First, they are both unlimited video recording. Depends again for your battery and memory card. Bluetooth wireless connection already there. Touchscreen. You have already face detection, microphone port, and headphone port. Time-lapse recording, both camera have already. Smartphone remote, UHS 2, compatible with the UHS 2 memory card, webcam mode, and eye tracking. So both of these camera have the same function. And both these camera guys, there's no built-in pop-up flash. So if you want a camera with a flash, pop-up flash, if you like that kind of photography, then this two camera is not it's not for you. They don't have both pop-up flash. So again, guys, let's recap why to consider the ZV-E10 Mark II over the 6600. First, the gyroscopic stabilization, product showcase mode is very useful. Dedicated switch already photo, video, and slow motion. small megapixel, 26 megapixel. Focusing point, you have more focusing point and the weight is more lighter. While the 6600, it's with a built-in image stabilization, electronic viewfinder, already in the camera, battery life for photo, weather sealed, and NFC connection. And guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Both of these cameras, amazing camera in 2024. So it's whether how you use the camera and style of your photography. So if you think for a tough, if you are in a tough area condition, which is like freezing area maybe or a very hot area, then I will go with the 6600. So weather sealed camera compared for the ZV-E10. So but if you are in the area which is normal climate and you have if you are using only for vlog and if you're using for your product vlogging, then I'll go with the Sony ZV-E10 Mark II. So, both camera guys, it's amazing camera. Yeah, it depends how you will use your camera. So, ayan guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of these two products, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So, ayan, hanggang dito na lang guys. Thank you and mabuhay.